Hello everyone, what's going on? So today I'm breaking down a story that fundamentally changed the conversation around NIO. We are talking about level 3 autonomous driving and a technical advantage so significant it looked less like a feature and more like a competitive moat. The big news broke. China Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the MIIT, has announced the first batch of model approved for L3 intelligent driving. Being on this list is a huge deal. It's regulatory validation. But being on the list with NIO's flagship 89 is where the financial story truly begins. Now take a look at this chart. It's comparing the technical firepower of these approved L3 models. The metric was focused on its processing power, often measured in OOPS or operations per second. It's the brain power of autonomous system. Now the text accompanying this image make a very strong claim. NIO is far and away higher. This isn't just a marketing fluff. This technological superiority is rooted in two proprietary components, while competitors rely on third-party silicon. NIO is delivering this groundbreaking capacity with their own in-house technology. However, the question here is that why should an investor care about raw numbers? Because in the world of autonomy, the hardware you buy today determines the software you can run tomorrow. Think of this way. The software for autonomous driving is constantly evolving, requiring more and more processing power for complex scenarios, redundancy check, and ever safer driving capabilities. By starting with a system that has exponentially more capacity, NIO is building a runway for continuous over-the-air improvement. Their competitors may hit a hardware wall in 2 or 3 years, forcing expensive and complex hardware retrofit, a massive capital expense and logistical nightmare. NIO, on the other hand, is building to evolve. This saves them billions in the future upgrade cost, allow them to maintain a constant feature lead, and critically reduces long-term R&D risks. NIO has always targeted the premium market, challenging German luxury brands. The 89 is the pinnacle of that strategy. Its brutal EV price war. A company needs a differentiator that customers are willing to pay a premium for. Superior validated L3 autonomous capabilities powered by best-in-class hardware is that differentiator. When a customer buys an 89, they aren't just buying a luxury car, they are buying the fastest, most advanced, most officially validated computing platform on wheels. This technology edge justifies the high price point, which means NIO can protect its gross margin while competitors are forced into a race to the bottom. In a capital-intensive industry, the ability to maintain strong margin based on proprietary technology is the ultimate sign of business health and sustainability. This MIIT L3 approval, backed by significant hardware lead, confirms NIO's strategy of massive investment in in-house tech is now paying dividends. So what's the takeaway here? Well, this is a huge win for NIO. Company has secured regulatory approval for L3. They have showcased a clear technological leap through their Shangxi chip, and they established a major competitive moat for their premium vehicles. For investors, this is evidence that the foundation is solid and path to the future revenue and profitability growth is paved with proprietary innovation. NIO isn't just surviving the EV race, they are setting the technological pace here.